how to watch private YouTube videos. Now the issue over here is actually quite simple. Sometimes what might happen is that maybe someone might have uploaded. There are two types of situation. Someone uploaded a video, you got a notification, but now when you try to go to that notification, it simply says that the video has been made private some particular reason, right? So now in this case, there's actually nothing we can do. You can simply request the creator of the video to upload or re-upload the video again. For some reason, they might have made it private. The other is if you're talking about your own YouTube videos that you have not published inside of YouTube Studio, you can simply go to YouTube Studio there, and once you go to YouTube Studio, you can simply go to the content tab on the left hand side of the screen. Then from content here, you will see all the videos that you've made private, and you will be able to find them. So these are the two certain scenarios. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.